Hello everyone! Today we'll be demonstrating how to use our AMB82 mini board together with a ToF sensor to detect thumbs up and thumbs down gestures. Connect the ToF sensor to the AMB82 mini board according to the wiring diagram shown. To begin, let's open the thumb detection example. Compile and upload the example code. Once uploaded, press the reset button and open the serial monitor to view the logs. When no thumb direction is detected, the log will display unclear thumb direction. If a thumbs up is detected, it will display thumbs up. And if a thumb down is detected, it will display thumbs down. You can also try other examples for the ToF sensor. What do you think? Leave your comments below and remember to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications. See you in the next video.